Good afternoon, my family and friends. To those who don't know me, my name is Sally Kasper. Um, I am a YouTuber. I want to show you how to make money online by doing just a few questions a day, answering a few questions a day, doing surveys, 5 apps that you can make money online. I want to show you, finish the video because I want to show you step by step. Um, so my family and friends, subscribe and hit that notification bell so I will show you how to do it step by step. Okay? Now we need to watch the video because I want to show you the names of those 5 apps that you can download in your cell phone and start making money. Come next. Are you ready? I'm gonna show you how to make money with PayPal with just these 3 steps. Now we need to watch the video because I want to show you the names of those 5 apps that you can download in your cell phone and start making money. Come next. My family and friends are gonna show you step by step how you can make money online with this 5 apps with PayPal. Okay, here you go. I will show you. You can go to google.com and then you're gonna download Lactastic app, just like this. And then you need to make sure you can go to bing.com or google.com or the Firefox. Any browser will do. Now make sure, because when you go money apps, you can there are so many money apps online. Make sure you go to this Lactastic apps. Okay, make sure, because see, when you go this one, it might show like Lactastic but different spelling. Make sure it's the right one. Okay, so this apps, but to make sure, because sometimes you go Lactastic but it comes out, see, can you see the difference? So we need to make sure that it's the right one. And then when you go to the Bing, Google or Bing or Google Chrome, but if you don't have the Bing or the Google Chrome, you can use the Firefox or something. Okay, so when you get to the Bing, if you have the Bing browser, you can type the Lactastic apps. Okay, make sure it's the right one. Make sure it's the real rewards app. Okay, make sure it's the Lactastic, and then you save that. In mine, I put that in my bookmarks, so you can find it easy. Google Chrome or the google.com will do. So you can do that. There are so many ways to search. See, on this one, you can have real cash prizes, gift cards, and all kinds of point rewards. So this one is only 3.9 stars rating. And the next one, so that you can get you get credits or points and turn into money through PayPal. You have so many ways to make money online. Now, okay, when you go to see this one, make sure that it's this sign, because there are so many ways. Make sure it's the Blacktastic app that I'm gonna show you in my app so you can see later. Okay, let's go back to my so that's one way. Next one is number 4. So that was Lactastic is number 5. I'm looking at the ratings of this one. Now I put this in my bookmarks and I put my points. See, make sure is this logo, because there are so many Lac Points or My Points apps that is a different logo. So make sure it's this one. It says earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. If you go shopping in Amazon, if you go through the My Points, you get cash rewards through PayPal. So when you join, if you don't have any PayPal, you join PayPal, paypal.com, go through the process, and you can earn rewards and points. When you play games, you can do some rewards and play games or shopping in the stores, or if you go Visa or Amazon, you can do all kinds of good stuff. And then the next one that I'm gonna show you is this one. See, I bookmarked this one to make sure I get the right app, because they have survey also. It's not survey junkie, and you might go different company, because they have so many making money online. Okay, so it says when you join Survey Junkie, you're joining a community of millions of people who choose to share their opinions and behaviors in exchange for rewards. See, you have so many ways also to earn money by you do the survey, write a survey of different companies. Okay, so through Walmart, PayPal, Amazon, Visa, iTunes, bank transfer, you can do that, and make sure you do this logo, because there are so many survey junkie that is different companies. So you get paid through PayPal, and then you earn rewards and turn into cash. So you learn to go through all those, and I'll show you the apps in a little bit. Okay, now if you go back to Google Chrome or the Bing, this is the logo for Survey Junkie. Okay, now if you go back to let me see, if you go back to Bing, there is another one called the Money Apps. See, Money Apps. When you go Money Apps, there are so many Money Apps but make sure it's the right one, because you can earn money also those other money apps, but it's a good idea to go through the real money apps. I'm gonna show you the logo. It's also the same style with the Survey Junkie, about surveying different companies, or experiences with the restaurants, or reviews. The number one that I'm gonna show you is this one. Hold on. This is the number one swag box that you can put cash back into your wallet. So it's also another survey. When you join for free, you're gonna earn $10 bonus. See, can you imagine, before you review with these other companies, with Walmart, those are the big companies. Okay guys, here's the apps, the 5 apps I'm talking about. When you say about money apps, make sure it's like that. It's money sign, and then there's a points. Here there's points, my points, and then there's a swag box. Make sure it's like that, because there's so many online. And of course a survey junkie. Make sure it's like that. So the logo, it should be like that. You can go to google.com's, the apps, and then Firefox or bing.com, or whatever is your browser, and search for those. Okay, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, so I will show you in my next upload about making money online. Thank you so much.